Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I have a special surprise for you, so stay tuned. If you want more videos like this, make sure you hit the like button and you subscribe. The first surprise I have today is the Injen short ram intake. It's kind of hard for me to say this because I'm so used to saying the cold air intake, which it is not a cold air intake. It is actually a short ram intake. If you guys don't know, the difference between them is the cold air intake goes really long and underneath the car. The short ram intake is short, basically. You have the Injen piping, chrome, nice little chrome. We have some stuff. I don't know where this goes, but we'll find out. The filter, which is the most important part of the whole kit. And we have the heat shield. And the biggest surprise is the ISR 20G Evo 9 Turbo by ISR. I got this from Gen Racer, so they actually clocked the turbo for me. I also bought an extra ECU in case I ever have to go back to stock. So this was actually from eBay for $100. We have the gaskets for the turbo, the coolant and oil lines. We have the O2 housing or downpipe. We have the turbo manifold. I actually don't want to open this because it's brand new and BTR is going to be installing it. We have the Grimspeed turbo manifold gasket, and these are the original turbo manifold gaskets. So the next part is going to be a video that I recorded like 2 days ago. So here goes past me. We're about to head out to get the ATV's rear tires mounted. They're practically bald, and we're about to also get my Genesis rear tires also mounted because of the camber. They constantly wear out. But first I gotta get them from the attic. I can't find the remote, so I'm gonna have to disconnect the lights. We barely fit the rear tires for the car and the rear tires for the ATV in the back of my car. And then we put the old ATV tires in the trunk. Let's see if it closes. We'll just leave it like that. I don't want to mess up more of the paint for the hinges. We just got to the tire shop. Now we're...
Be like, your truck phone ringing.
Alright, so we just got to the tire shop. Now we just got back to the tire shop. They took off the tires and they're actually mounting them right now. So now we can do some sweet burnouts once we get the new turbo kit installed. Welcome back to the present me. We got the tires installed on the car and on my brother's ATV. The tires that I installed are the original Potenzas that come with the car. These, I bought them off of a guy for real cheap. They actually have about half the thread, which is what I need for the summer. These are the tires we got for the ATV. These are Dirt Devil GBC. These are actually a lot bigger than the original ones. We actually had to custom cut the back of it, and we just ordered the front tires. So if you guys like off-roading videos, make sure you guys check out the channel Redline Off-Roading. One last thing before I close out this video. I did get rid of the Turbo XS exhaust, and I actually got an MXP. The reason being is because I needed more clearance on the bottom. I actually do not scrape anymore. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below, how many horsepower do you think I will get out of the ISR 20G Evo 9 Turbo Kit?